In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a login page in the Dawn theme on Shopify. By the end, you'll have a store that asks customers to sign in before they check out, which is perfect if you want more control over who can place orders, or if you're building a members-only experience. Let's start from your Shopify dashboard. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin, you'll land on the main home screen. This is your central control panel, where you manage products, orders, customers, and all your store settings. Make sure you're in the correct store if you manage more than one, because the changes you're about to make will only apply to the active store. From the dashboard, look for the settings option. On desktop, you'll usually find this at the very bottom left corner of the screen. Click on settings to open up a new page. This is where you control all the behind the scenes configuration for your store, like payments, shipping, notifications, and your checkout experience. On the settings page, you'll see a list of different sections. What we want to focus on here is checkout. Go ahead and click on checkout. This will open all of the options related to how your customers move through the purchasing process, from entering their information to finalizing payment. Once you're on the checkout settings page, scroll until you find the section related to customer contact methods and accounts. In that area, look for the option that mentions requiring customers to sign into their account before checkout. Next to that text, you'll see a white checkbox. Click on that box so that it becomes ticked. This tells Shopify that customers must log in or create an account before they can move forward with completing a purchase. This simple setting is what effectively activates your login requirement for the Dawn theme. It doesn't just affect the checkout itself. It also encourages customers to use the built-in login and account pages that come with the theme, which can be really helpful for tracking orders and improving the customer experience. Once you've checked that box, don't forget to save your changes. Look toward the top or bottom right of the page for the Save button and click it. Waiting for a second until you see confirmation that your settings have been saved is important, so you know the change has taken effect. After saving, you can visit your store's checkout as a test customer to confirm that it now prompts for login before checkout. And that's all you need to add a login requirement to your Dawn